Oh. Hey beauties, how are you? This is Carol. I want to tell you some good shows. If you're looking for some good shows to watch, I want to tell you which ones I rate very high. On Netflix, I believe, Shtisel, S-H-T-I-S-E-L. Now it is in a different language, but my daughter and I were like floored by it. It was so good. That and Unorthodox. And I would recommend Dead to Me. And Virgin River. Also, let's see, Falling in Love. That one is with Meryl Streep and Robert De Niro. That is on Prime, Amazon Prime. The rest were on Netflix, and I'm not sure where this one is, but A Scent of a Woman. That is an old one with Al Pacino. And you know, if you watched my 50 Facts About Me, that I did meet Al Pacino on the beach. Actually, I met his dog, and his dog came up to me, and Al was walking with his woman and calling for his dog, and I was telling the dog to stay, and then the dog finally left, but that was very exciting. Okay, so today I'm going to show you my balcony, what I did to it. I installed a floor. I installed a checkerboard effect on the walls. I have swimming tubes out there. I have Edison lights. I have fake flowers and greenery. It's just cozy. I just love it. And I'm going to show you how I did it. And you see the black and white? Those are only poster boards that I got from the dollar store. And what I did was I stuck it on with 3M sticking tape, which is one of the strongest tapes. And the only problem is that it is a stucco cement wall, so it's not smooth, so that sometimes it doesn't stick so good. And we've had a cold blast here, which us native New Yorkers absolutely love. We're not complaining about that. We love the cold weather, as long as it stays cold like this and then it goes back to warm real quick. We actually have 3-4 temperatures in one day. It's the most beautiful place to live, California. So anyway, we had a big gust of wind for a couple of days, and it started blowing off my poster boards, and I had to re-stick them. But basically, they are curling, so they kind of look like Post-its. You know, when Post-its just flare up like that. So I don't mind that either. And I don't know how to make a hole in the wall there. I've tried, but my handyman can do it, but I'm not hiring anybody. So I'm just making do with the nails that are there. So I stuck my wine bottle float because it's so cute. I stuck my little duck. And I have my little swan just hanging out on the chair. Also, I bought these tiles. They're plastic, and you just snap them together. I got them from IKEA, and they were like $19 for like 9 square feet. And I think I got about 7 packs of them. And I put them down myself. Very easy. And it just makes the place look so cute. I'll show you how it looks at night and how it looks during the day. First, this is the delivery from IKEA. They are gray plastic snap-on slats, and there they are, the first installation. I put 1 row, and as you can see, the white part of the floor is all chipped away from paint, and so I spackled it, and then I put a sealant over it, and then I just sat on the floor and I started laying it down. So here you go. We're filling up the floor. We're filling it up. Can you tell what condo is mine? Oh, there it is.